Hi all, welcome to my new series, Business Analytics using R software. Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to install R software. So let us begin. Just go to the Google. It's open source software. You can download it from open source from Google. Just type R. Just type R download. Then the latest version you will get in this one. You can click on this download 3.6.3 for Windows in the CRAN website. Okay, do remember that it is the original website, authentic website. So just click on this, then your file will install. Sorry, the file will download. Yes, as soon as it get downloaded, you can install, right? Meanwhile, you can also install RStudio. RStudio. These two softwares are important in order to run the R software. Just go to RStudio, download RStudio. Then you can select the free version. Directly you can come here and there is a Windows. If you have Mac, you can go for Mac. If you have Ubuntu or other OS, based on the OS you can select. Since I have Windows, so I'll go for Windows. Just click on that. So here you can see this both softwares are getting downloaded. Once it is downloaded, then I'll show you how to set it, right? After downloading the R Studio and R software, first install the R software. Then click on OK. Keep on pressing next. And if you want shortcut, you can tick mark on this, or else no need. Just click on next. Once this is complete, then install the R Studio. Once the R is installed, then you can install R Studio in this same manner. Just click on next, install. Once this is complete, then the installation is over. Once the installation is complete, then you can check here R Studio. Yes, both are installed. The latest version 3.63 and R Studio also in the latest version. That's it.